Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tenemsko, and in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing another Boohoo x Burna Boy collaboration. Do you know what I'm saying? Boohooman x Burna Boy. And in today's video, it's gonna be a velvet tracksuit, full tracksuit, from the top to the bottom. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys are ready. You know what I'm saying? Let's unbox this stuff, man. Oh, wait, fam, send me this parcel, fam. Okay, that's right. We got it. We got the parcel. So yeah, let's open it. By the way, if you want one of these watches, you know what I'm saying? Very nice, luxury watch, you know what I'm saying? Good quality. I'll put the link down in the description, you know what I'm saying? That's one of my new sponsors. What you guys are, I can do it without Nike, man. I can do it without Nike. This man thing. Let's see it. This thing looks calm, you know. Alright, well. So yeah. Those are the trousers. The joggers. Like the American people say. The joggers. So here we got a big B. And then the rest is velvet. The best way to describe the logo here, you see a towel, basically, what it feels like. It feels like a towel, but a very, very dry towel. Do you know what I mean? Almost like a hand towel. That's how the logo feels. And the velvet, well, I guess it feels like velvet. Do you know what I'm saying? Can't go any further than that. You get what I mean? So it's got like golden zips here on the side, you get me? And here on the other side, it's got, you know, the usual shenanigan in it, Burna Boy x Boohoo x Burna Boy. You know what I'm saying, fam? And the mad thing is that it's got green strings. What I've gone with them. We got the top. Do you know what I'm saying? And this is my type of trip, you know, because it's simple. Yo guys, before we start the next part of the video, I would like you to go subscribe to my boy. He's got the best YouTube channel, gaming YouTube channel, upcoming game YouTube channel, do you know what I mean? And yeah, help him get to like 100, 500, 1,000 subs. Things that are too complicated, and black is my favorite color. You know what I'm saying? Not just because I'm black and black don't crack, but black is my favorite theme. You get me, black? Yeah. Same thing. It's got the G, dry towel B for Burna Boy, and it's velvet. But yeah, this is the shit from Big Man Thing. I don't regret buying it. No cap. So yeah, let's put it on.
And the man them got it cracking again. And the man them got it cracking again.
So yeah, I know you guys want to see some magic, some real magic, some juju. So yeah, let's get it. That's it. And you know what's mad? If I recommend anything from this Burna Boy x Boohoo collection, it's there for this one. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, this is what I would recommend for the Big Man Thing. Do you know what I'm saying? And let's see the zips. You know what I'm saying? The zips, the pockets. Pockets are calm. You know what I'm saying? But they're not that deep. You know what I mean? It's stretchable. You know? Because one thing about Boohoo is that they make the stuff real tight in it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Their buttons are very, very tight. You know what I'm saying? So it's a good thing that they made it flexible, you know what I'm saying? You don't feel like it's too, you're constrained, you're restrained in them things, you know what I'm saying? You can just do Kung Fu kick, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's a mazzoline, bro. Not a thing, blood. You get me? And the top, you know what I'm saying, the top looks good. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm rocking this tomorrow for me. Are you mad, bro? Are you mad? Are you mad? The material feels comfortable. It's light, do you know what I mean? I assume you will wear this like with like a body warmer or a jacket. That's mandatory. You feel me? But overall together, it just looks so nice. Like I feel like the real MVP right now. You know what I'm saying? This Burna Boy collection was a success. You know, this is, to me, hands down, this is one of the best ones. And the link to this tracksuit will be in the description for a velvet tracksuit. And it's got that retro vibe as well. You know what I mean? I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? And you know, all black here. I love all black, man. I don't know why. It's got some superhero vibes in it. You know? All black, you hear me? Black Panther, you know what I'm saying? You know what my dream is here, like? To one day be in a Marvel Cinematic Universe movie, MCU movie. That would be my dream. How do you think I can make that come to reality? You know what I'm saying? Black Panther for the multiverse, you hear me? Big man thing, man. But yeah, guys. What do you think? What do you think about this outfit from like, bruv? What do you think? Let me give you a closer look at the top in it, you know what I'm saying? Obviously I knew you was gonna ask me about the top, you know what I'm saying? Like I knew you was gonna ask me about the top, but big man thing, look at this, blood. Look at this, blood. Come on. Listen, I know you want to cop one, and the link will be down in the description, you know what I'm saying? Like, what can I say? You know what I'm saying? Black out for a ride out. Black out for a ride out. I will never be a rapper, man. I can't even do 2 bars. I can't even do 4 bars consecutively. Like this is terrible, bro. Big man thing. But yeah, guys, like, if you like these head ties, I'll put the link down in the description. They do designer head ties, designer T-Rex, whatever you want, bro. You know what I'm saying? Even designer face mask. You get what I'm saying, bro? So man's got you, and man's got a promo code for everything. Who knows, if you go in the description, you might find a promo code for this, but this is very affordable, you know what I mean? So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and share.